Not all, but a lot of clothing can be purchased used through thrift stores or online from sites like thredup.com or swap.com. You can find some very good and high-end gently worn clothing or even new with tags for a fraction of the price. 5. Furniture. Buying used furniture that is in good shape is another way to save a ton of money. Even if it has a small nick, scratch or stain. If you or someone in your home is handy, these are really easy things to fix. You could even make some really good side income from refinishing and reselling used furniture. 6. DVDs. DVDs, like books, are another product that you can purchase used for a lot less than new. Why pay to purchase a brand new DVD that you might watch just a few times then ends up collecting dust? You can find used DVDs at garage sales, thrift stores or online for almost nothing. 7. Sports equipment. Kids outgrow or lose interest in things so fast, it just doesn't make sense to spend a bunch of money on sports equipment that you probably won't get your money out of anyway. Why not buy them used? They will still do the trick for their needs. 8. Pets. Not only does it make absolutely no sense to buy a pet, it is such a waste when there are so many out there in shelters and on the streets, that could really use a good home. We adopted both our cat and dog from shelters and we wouldn't ever trade them for anything. There are many more things that you could buy used to save money. Every time you need something, why not ask yourself if it is really necessary to buy it new? Think of how much money you could be saving if bought used.